Welcome back everyone to A1 Diaries. Today we're finishing off some of the tarmac macadam work down at the walled gardens in Gosforth Park. We'll take you through at the moment. As you can see, the entrance now is all finished. This is the driveway coming in. So we've got an area on the left to finish off, but there's still building work going on down there. I'll also show you the site map. There's the guys down there getting the prep work ready. This is the map of everything that's been tarmac-macadamed. Today I believe we are on plot 8. That's the map of everything that's been done. I'll take it down here and show you the area before the tarmac-macadam goes down. It's one of the last driveways to be finished. And here we go, driveway 8, pre-prepped with aggregate, curbs are in, now just the tarmac-macadam. Please join us for our next video and you'll see the finished project. First we're going to put one layer of base in and then a top coat. Please subscribe to our channel, click the link button below, give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.